Hello again. Today we're going to be sewing kick pleats, and since this is my first time sewing kick pleats, I'm calling it a practice. But I'm ready. This is how a kick pleat pattern looks. This would basically be an extension on a jacket or a skirt. And you're going to cut 2 of these. Now once you have your pattern cut out, do 2 little tiny snips along your seam line. That's the dotted line on your pattern. Next we're going to use a tailor's tack as a guide. So what you're going to do is take a needle and thread and pull it through the marking. Just like this. Pull it all the way through. Well, don't pull it all the way through. You're going to need to leave a tail on the front side. And then what you're going to do is take your needle and thread and bring it right back through that same hole, leaving a loop on the back side. Just like that. And then cut your needle, cut your thread. Unpin your pattern carefully and then separate your 2 pieces without pulling out your tailor's tack. Snip that in the middle, and now you're ready. After you've pinned your pieces right side to right side, you're ready to sew. Now, from the top to your tailor's tack, you're going to use a regular stitch. From your tailor's tack to the hem, you're going to use a long stitch. Now, I added a marking so I can see where I was sewing. So remember, from the top to your tailor's tack, regular stitch. From the tailor's tack to the hem, you're going to use a long stitch. Now right here is where you are going to switch over to your long stitch or your basting stitch from your tailor's tack to the hem, because at the end you're going to remove that basting stitch. Next, we are going to reinforce the corner and close the pleat. So what you want to do is get right along that seam line, and you're going to reinforce the corner maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches up from your tailor's tack. At the tailor's tack, you're going to pivot and sew down and close your kick pleat. Now open your pattern, lay it flat, and snip only the top layer of your pattern where it pivots. Then press it open, just like this. Next, what you want to do is pin down your kick pleat. Now you can use a tailor's tack again, I just didn't. But pin it down so you can see on the opposite side where you need to top stitch down your kick pleat. Now here I have it all top stitched down right there. And next, we're going to take out our long stitch, our basting stitch. And just like that, we're all finished. Not bad for a first time doing kick pleats, right? Well, thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check me out on my blog, Hip Candy. Follow me on social media. And I'll see you guys next time.